Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ensure Plus powder. This nutritional supplement is designed to help you gain or maintain weight effectively. Each serving is packed with 350 calories and 13 grams of high-quality protein, along with 27 essential vitamins and minerals. It's a convenient way to boost your daily nutrient intake and support your overall health goals. To prepare your Ensure Plus drink, start by pouring 1/2 cup of cold water into a glass. Next, slowly add 1/2 cup of the Ensure Plus powder. Stir continuously as you add the powder to prevent clumps. Keep stirring until the powder is fully dissolved, creating a smooth, consistent beverage. For a thicker drink, simply adjust the amount of water used. You can easily customize your Ensure Plus drink to suit your taste. Try blending it with milk or juice instead of water for a richer flavor and more nutrients. Adding fruits like bananas or berries can transform it into a delicious smoothie. For an extra boost of protein and calories, consider mixing in a spoonful of peanut butter or yogurt. Don't forget to chill it for a refreshing experience. Ensure Plus can be consumed as a convenient meal replacement or a beneficial nutritional supplement. It's generally recommended to have 1 to 2 servings daily, but always consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. Remember to store any unused powder in a cool, dry place with the lid tightly sealed. Once prepared, any leftover drink should be discarded if not consumed within 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.